This is the Huawei Watch Ultimate, and on paper it promises insane battery life, rugged dive-ready build quality, and a smartwatch that might actually go toe-to-toe with premium devices like the Apple Watch Ultra. But after wearing it as my everyday watch for weeks, I've found some things Huawei didn't hype in the commercials, and you're going to want to know about them. Product Overview. So what exactly are we looking at here? The Huawei Watch Ultimate launched as Huawei's newest high-end smartwatch, aimed at adventurers, athletes, and anyone who gets tired of charging their wearable every night. It rocks a 1.5-inch LTPO AMOLED display that's crisp and easy to read outdoors, packs GPS plus Bluetooth calling, and lasts up to 2 full weeks between charges in real life. At least that's what Huawei claims, and many reviewers have found close to the mark. At its core, this watch is trying to be a luxury-grade outdoor tool and daily smartwatch all in one. But how well does it actually deliver? Let's dig in. Performance. In regular use, notifications, health tracking, Bluetooth calling, some GPS workouts, the Watch Ultimate feels snappy and reliable. There's no laggy scrolling or UI freezes, and the touchscreen plus 3-button interface keeps navigation smooth. Now, let's talk battery, because this is where it really stands out. With moderate use, most reviews have seen around 8 to 10 days of uptime, sometimes even closer to 14 if you dial back always-on display and heavy GPS tracking. That means a weekend getaway, a work trip, or a week on the trail without plugging in. Compared to Apple and Samsung watches that ask for juice daily, it feels almost luxury. GPS accuracy is solid too. Dual-band GNSS keeps a reliable lock on your location for runs, hikes, and outdoor tracking without wildly erratic data. But here's the thing, the overall software experience and app ecosystem still feels more utilitarian than polished. HarmonyOS on wearables is functional, but it doesn't offer the breadth of apps you'll see on Apple Watch or Wear OS devices. That's not a deal-breaker, but it's something to weigh. Features and tech. Battery life that actually matters. This watch isn't talking about hours, it's talking about days and days. With typical use, you're often pushing a full week or more without charging, something that feels like a small luxury in smartwatch land. Expedition and dive-ready modes. Huawei didn't just slap a high water resistance number on the spec sheet. This thing is 10 ATM/100 meter rated and meets serious standards for diving gear. That means you can literally take it into shallow water swimming or recreational diving. No nightly charging stress, even on longer trips. Health and fitness tracking. Heart rate, SpO2, ECG reading, barometer, and sleep and stress tracking are all included. Accuracy won't match dedicated medical gear, but it's very capable and gets you meaningful insights without overcomplication. Bluetooth calling and NFC. Yep, you can take calls right on your wrist and use contactless tech where supported. That's a real convenience on busy days when your phone is not in hand. These features make the Watch Ultimate feel like a real wearable companion, not just a digital accessory. Design and build. Aesthetically, Huawei went premium and purpose-built. The case uses zirconium-based liquid metal, which isn't just a fancy marketing term. It feels stronger and lighter than standard stainless steel. The AMOLED display is vivid with good outdoor visibility, and the buttons and crown give a satisfying tactile feel. It's big, not subtle, and honestly, that's intentional. This is a watch you want on outdoor trips, workouts, and daily wear where ruggedness matters. Not everyone will love the larger size on smaller wrists, so try it if you can. Pros. Battery life that genuinely lasts days, not hours. Strong health and GPS tracking suite. Bluetooth calling and NFC support. Cons. App ecosystem and software depth feel limited compared to Apple and Wear OS alternatives. Strap quality can vary. Consider upgrading for heavy duty. Final verdict. So, who should actually buy this? If you're someone who values battery life above almost everything else, likes the idea of a smartwatch that feels premium and capable off the grid, and wants serious fitness tracking without daily charging, the Huawei Watch Ultimate is a fantastic choice. It's especially great for hikers, travelers, athletes, and weekend warriors who don't want the battery anxiety that comes with most smartwatches. But if you're deeply invested in the Apple ecosystem or want a smartwatch with tons of apps and seamless tie-ins to services like Apple Pay or Google Assistant, you might feel a bit limited here. That said, for the price and overall real-world performance, this watch delivers serious value if battery life and rugged durability are your priorities. So, that's my honest take on the Huawei Watch Ultimate, one of the most durable, long-lasting smartwatches you can wear daily. What do you think? Planning to pick one up, or are you holding out for something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this review helpful, smash that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world tech reviews. Thanks for watching.